Today's May 1st, 47 days until Yukon River Quest 2026. I just paddled across Lake Conroe, paddling north. It's storming out here. On the main body of the lake, I've got 1 to 2 foot waves, up to 3 foot waves. Out in the main body, the middle of it, I'm trying to stay close to shore where it's 1 to 2 foot waves. But getting across the lake was rough because it was all side waves and it was trying to flip me over. I'm up at Stubblefield Marina. Is just literally, there's a road right in front of me. You can see I got the boat parked just on some sandy beach. Turn around. Stubblefield Marina is just right around here, and then you turn the corner. Stopped to put my rain gear on, get a little bit of water, and paddle back. All part of the training, Yukon River Quest 2026.